Paramount Plus tips and tricks for beginners. 1. Customize your profile for a better experience. Create multiple profiles for personalized recommendations. Use Kids Mode to filter age-appropriate content. Adjust your watch history to improve suggested content. 2. Use offline downloads for on-the-go viewing. Download movies and shows for offline viewing, available on mobile devices only. Available for Paramount Plus with Showtime subscribers. Downloads expire after 30 days or 48 hours after starting playback. 3. Access live TV and sports content. Stream NFL on CBS, UEFA, Champions League, NCAA basketball, and more. Watch your local CBS station live with the Showtime plan. Check the live TV section for upcoming events and broadcasts. Enable subtitles and change audio settings. Turn on subtitles and closed captions in multiple languages. Adjust subtitle font, size, and background color for better readability. Select alternative audio tracks if available. 5. Skip intros and recaps for faster viewing. Use the skip intro button to jump straight into the action. Skip recaps when binge watching a series to save time. 6. Manage your streaming quality to prevent buffering. Adjust video quality settings in the app to match your internet speed. Use a wired connection or sit closer to your Wi-Fi router for better performance. Restart your router or streaming device if buffering occurs. 7. Set up Watchlists for easy access. Add movies and shows to My List for quick access later. Organize content by genre or favorite categories. 8. Use parental controls for safe viewing. Restrict mature content by setting a PIN on certain profiles. Enable age-based content filtering for children's profiles. 9. Stream on multiple devices. Paramount Plus allows streaming on up to 3 devices simultaneously, available on smart TVs, streaming sticks, mobile devices, gaming consoles, and browsers. 10. Try free trials and discounts. New users can try Paramount Plus free for 7 days before committing. Look for discounts with bundle offers such as Showtime and Walmart, plus promotions. These Paramount Plus tips and tricks will help you get the most out of your streaming experience, whether you're watching movies, live TV, or exclusive original series.